Got some new stuff in the shop for you guys. These are the most amazing feeling plushies, and they're really cute as well. I really love this one. He's so punk rock and cute. We've got our horsey over here with his wings, and back over here. Very well because he's in the window. There we go. Beautiful werewolf. Down here we've got a couple more horses. This one's a zombie horse. It's got his brains hanging out. Beautiful kitty. And I think this one's a bunny. Anyway, there's only one of each one. So if you see something you like, you might want to come down and check it out.